You're going to talk about anime or something like that. We don't need that today. So we're clicking on music. Okay, we end up with this blank thing. Let's start with the metronome. So down over here, whoop, that's the metronome. We're going to click on. Okay. I also think 120 might be a little fast. Go ahead and change it to 100. That would be good. That's a good tempo right there. If it's too fast for you, and again, you're going to have to kind of feel this out, right, as you go. If that's too fast for you, you can change it to 90. I wouldn't go down to 60 beats a minute. That's way too slow. You know, it's almost going to be hard to process. But I think 100 is fine. 120 is a little fast. You're going to make sure that the metronome is on. Little tiny details, okay? And then we're going to click Add New Track. And it's going to give you all these options. But we're worried about voice and microphones because you're going to be using your microphone in this. Okay? And then I'm going to see here. And look, if you look really carefully right here, you can see that my microphone is working. If it's not working, you can click on this little gear. And it's going to help you check it. So I'm going to start my test. Looks like I have plenty going in. But I don't know, for instance, if my microphone was unplugged, I'm going to unplug it. Hopefully this works. Boop. You can see that I'm not getting... so if it's not working for some reason, I would start my test and nothing's happening. Play louder. Play louder. And like, it's just not working. So you might have to do what's called troubleshoot. You should let me know specifically if you're having trouble with your microphone. That's like a real specific thing. Sorry, I have to find... pan. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think that's going to be a lot cleaner for the input here. So, cool. I got my microphone going. Now from here, I'm going to switch over to Music Cam. And I'm going to get my jolly old Saint Nick, right? So I'm going to do my top line. How much music do you want me to go over here? You know what? I'm going to get the percussion book. Which one's percussion? On the percussion book, it should be 12 continued. Trying to remember which. I have to send this channel. Okay, so I'm on orange and blue. Orange and blue is the second one. Okay, orange and blue. Cool, that's showing up. Okay, so I'm on Jolly Old Saint Nick. I'm going to play the mallet part first. I'm going to do the top mallet part, which is a G. E flat. Now, the hard part about this is obviously the skips, right? Okay. Let's see if I can do this and this. And if I can make this a second camera. There. Hey, that's kind of cool. Is that big enough so everyone can kind of see what's going on? Do you guys feel like you know what's happening right here? So I have my music here, my recording here. Cool. Awesome. Reminder that we have a repeat over here. Reminder that these jumps are going to be harder. So going from that E flat to the G, going down to the C is going to be harder than some of the other things you've done. This is going to take some work. Okay. I'm going to hit start recording. The metronome is going to be on. Oh, I had to turn that back on for some reason. And I'm gonna click start recording. Okay, I'm just gonna tell them I'm using headphones. Okay, here we go. G's. F. E flat. B flat, E flat. Whoops. You guys can hear there's a fly on my microphone. Oops, I clicked the wrong thing. There we go. Let's see if that worked. Hey, did you guys hear some wrong notes in there? Oh my gosh, this fly. The fly actually lands on the microphone. You can hear it. You know what? I'm actually not worried about the wrong notes. I'm not worried about the wrong notes yet. I would rather you make wrong notes and then go back and fix them later. And try to get most of all the work done as you can. Just for the sake of doing 2 mallet parts, I'm going to do 2 mallet parts. Just know you only have to do 1 mallet part. Now I'm going to move down to the lower one. My gosh, this... Where's my fly swatter? Can you guys hear it? The fly moving on and off my microphone. It's driving me crazy. My gosh, this fly. Okay. And here we go. We're starting off with, it looks like 4 E flats. Nice. And then C, 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 C. Now watch out for these little leads. They're super fun, but you have to keep your head on straight. So here we go. We're going to start recording. 4, 1, 2. Okay. That was wrong. The reason it was wrong is because when I go back here, I actually started recording from later down the line. It doesn't automatically start at the beginning. I don't like that feature. By the way, just hit the delete button. Okay, I have to bring it back to the beginning. This is on record. And if I use the record button at the bottom, that'll work too. There we go. Find my note. Here we go. Beginning. I may have played the ending wrong, but I'm not tripping. Because even if there's mistakes, we can go back and fix them. I think it's better to just kind of get everything in. Start. You know, I don't like this page. I'm going to make that go away because I can click the R button over here, over on the side, and it says enable, disable, record, and it's easier to see when you're moving along. Okay. Now I'm going to do a snare part. And to do the snare part, you guys are going to like this. I'm just going to use the microphone, but I guess you guys can use your snare. Sharpies on the microphone. It's super annoying, but I think it'll get the point across. All right, let me make sure that's working. Oh, I don't know if it's working. Yeah, it's working. I can see the little input. Yep, that's working. All right. Okay. And now I'm going to click record. I'm going to put my thing back in the right mode. Awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to the percussion part on the bottom. A flam, 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 flam. Right, left, zap, zap, bam. Can I zap it? Obviously, my snare drum is going to sound different than yours. I hope yours sounds better than mine. Okay. Here we go. And flam. Hey, what'd you guys think of my rub Sharpies on the microphone snare part? It did the job though. And let's see if I was going to do the bass part. Again, like you can add more. You can add more than one, more than 3 parts if you want. Let's see if we can get that working. I need to find something that's going to sound good as a bass drum. No, maybe not my desk. Help me out. What would sound good? Huh. I got a bin over there. A box. Gosh, you would think with all these Amazon packages I get, it would do the job. I have to get creative. What are we going to do? That'll do. Yeah, my desk sounds super weird. This'll do. I'm gonna go ahead and mic that. Oh, I know it does. All right, here we go. I'm gonna click record. Let's see. Boop, boop. And here we go. They're in the box. Looks like we have a lot of boom on 1 and 3s. Oops, gotta click record. Hey, there we go. All right. So I actually did 3 layers here. And this would be a considered finished project right here. So let's see what we have. Yeah, you guys kind of get the idea here. I wonder if I could edit this. Voice transform, edit name, fade in, fade out, auto tune. I don't know about that. So obviously there's some changes I need to do. Ooh, look! Ooh, we have automation in here. We have volume. They kind of kept this nice and simple for you guys in terms of this recording thing. I think it's kind of great. This would be a pretty decent, I'd consider this as like a good A- project. Like it's all there. You can listen to the... I could turn off the metronome. You guys can hear that part. This is particularly works. That's when the flies were landing on me. This fly is going to drive me crazy. You hear how the two parts sound really cool together. There we go. And that's how you do the project, guys. That's how you do it. What do you want to see again? Think you're good? Nice. Nice. Head out to your room. Yeah. If you're feeling good, you're like, oh, I just have to do it. Nice, Evan. Good to hear. Yeah, Jolly Old St. Nicholas is not that hard. So you just have to kind of like practice each part a little bit and it should be good. Yeah. Go ahead. Go record now. Go work on it. Hi, Stephanie.
Hi.
Hey, how are we doing on Jolly Old St. Nick?
I don't like A's.
Oh. Have you been practicing them?
Yeah.
Yeah?